The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for the southeastern part of San Diego County until 4:15 this afternoon. Areas affected by the flash flood warning include Pine Valley, Mount Laguna, Cuyamaca Rancho State Park, Julian, Borrego Springs, and the surrounding areas. Once again, the National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning in effect until 4:15 this afternoon for southeastern San Diego County.
News Radio 600 Kogo. Live, local, breaking.
A Russia investigation.
Flash flood warning for the following county: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for South Central San Bernardino County in Southern California until 5 p.m. At 1:59 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Yucca Valley, Joshua Tree Lake Campground, Joshua Tree in Morongo Valley. Flash flood warning for the following county: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for San Bernardino County in Southern California until 5:15 p.m. At 2:09 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding will likely begin shortly through normally dry washes. Some locations that will likely experience flooding include TNR Town and Rimrock. From the southwest, sea temperature was 67. Has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Ventura County in southwestern California, northwestern Los Angeles County in southwestern California until 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 2:56 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Alamo Mountain, Topatopa Peak, Pyramid Lake, Interstate 5 over the Grapevine, Booming. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks. Weather forecast.
That's it.
The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Ventura County in southwestern California, northwestern Los Angeles County in southwestern California until 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 2:56 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Alamo Mountain, Topatopa Peak, Pyramid Lake, Interstate 5 over the Grapevine, Booming. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks. thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Alamo Mountain, Topatoga Peak, Pyramid Lake, Interstate 5 over the Grapevine, Grumman. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks.
Northeastern Ventura County in southwestern California, northwestern Los Angeles County in southwestern California until 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 2:56 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Alamo Mountain, Topatoga Peak, Pyramid Lake, Interstate 5 over the Grapevine, Grumman. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks. Keep it here for the latest. Has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Los Angeles County in southwestern California until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:38 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated multiple thunderstorms with very heavy rain in the Los Angeles County mountains from just east of Castaic Lake to just northeast of Mount Wilson. These thunderstorms were nearly stationary. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Acton and the foothills of the Antelope Valley. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks. Has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Los Angeles County in southwestern California until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:38 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated multiple thunderstorms with very heavy rain in the Los Angeles County mountains from just east of Castaic Lake to just northeast of Mount Wilson. These thunderstorms were nearly stationary. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Acton and the foothills. The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Los Angeles County in southwestern California until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:38 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated multiple thunderstorms with very heavy rain in the Los Angeles County mountains from just east of Castaic Lake to just northeast of Mount Wilson.
3:38 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated multiple thunderstorms with very heavy rain in the Los Angeles County mountains from just east of Castaic Lake to just northeast of Mount Wilson. These thunderstorms were nearly stationary. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Acton and the foothills of the Antelope Valley. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks.
The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Los Angeles County in southwestern California until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:38 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated multiple thunderstorms with very heavy rain in the Los Angeles County mountains from just east of Castaic Lake to just northeast of Mount Wilson. These thunderstorms were nearly stationary. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Acton and the foothills of the Antelope Valley. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks.